and welcome to part 2, Winter Wonderland. Intermediate level, actually it's level 4 on Faber and Faber. Faber and Faber, Christmas song. I'm all dressed up, my jewelry are on. I can't wait for Christmas. We all love Christmas. And it's coming, it's October right now. So yeah, mid-October, so we're ready for Christmas. We're getting ready. This song will be great. It's easy to play. What I will do, this is part 2, obviously. What I'll do, I'll play again whatever we did last time. I hope by this time you are able to play, even though it could be really slow, but practice makes faster and better and better. Keep it slow until you are really confident. Don't go fast, don't rush it, you know, it's no point of, you know, rush it. Actually this one, it's really like carefree. It's saying carefree with a swing song. So this is not a fast song to go on it, right? So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna go all the way through it. That we're having just couple of measures left from 25 to 35. So like 10 measures left. And then what I'll try to give you some tips and tricks how to play this really beautiful, right? So let's go. So what's happening next, actually, it's really easy. The right hand is going to do exactly the same thing that you did it in the first measures. I'm going to just play it. It's exactly the same. But then, you remember when we did... So right now, it's doing a little tiny bit of variation. You see? So actually I'm playing exactly the same chord but broke one by one, not one note at a time. And then the next one chord that it was this one, right now it's again broke one note at a time. Alright, and then it's changing. Alright, so I'm just gonna go from here. So just practice that. D, F, B, but broke. Up, down, middle, top, go to the next chord. And then 5, this chord, B, E, G, pinky, G, and then B, E, G, and then together. Got it? So it's a triplet here. Strawberry. Strawberry apple pie. Alright, good. And then nothing here. 4 times. You can just do one one note at a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 more notes and you're done. So instead of doing E, D, C, we're gonna go E flat, like in C minor, E, D, C, A, C, cool ending, right? Alright, let's try to the right hand, to the left hand. The left hand has exactly the same chords like in the beginning, but this time you play 2 times. That means you're gonna play, in the beginning they were like 2 count note. It was like right now that we're having quarter notes. 2 times and 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 this, right? So listen. 2 times up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. How sounds that? Cool? Shall we go again? 3, 4 and 1, 2, left. 4 and 1, 2, left. 4 and 1, 2, left. Alright? The left hand again is going to do exactly the same thing like in beginning. So you have the broad chord on the right hand that I just told you how to do it. On the left hand, G, F, F, and then chord like we learned in the other, on the page before. G, F, F, chord, and then D and F, exactly the same thing. G7, and then C major. Alright, so let's see. And go next. Again, together, and together, and together, and together, and. So, down, down, here you gotta change from 1 and 3, then press somehow 5 here, or not, but then start with number 4 on the E flat. And now, if you can add this cool ending, it's gonna be even more fun. G, A, B, C, E, F, F, G, C, D, D, E, B, C. E, F, F, G, C, D, D, E, G, F, B, D sharp, and then C and E. Right. So I'm just gonna go further a little tiny bit. So pedal is important here. You need to work the left hand, the pedal according to the left hand. So every time you press a key on the left hand, you gotta have the pedal. I'm not gonna stay too long on the pedal. I believe that by this time you should be pretty, the pedal could come pretty easy to you, as intermediate level. I think that won't be that hard. If you feel that is too much pedal, you just take it off and you put it back. But usually it's on every chord that you do it on the left hand. Alright. So right now, this, as I said, it's a fun piece to do it. So you start in a mezzo piano. Good. So what I did here, as you can see, my left hand is a little bit softer than the right hand, and I'm not playing like that. That's not music. I try to make the right hand a little bit louder than the left hand, okay? So let's try to do, first to do this, you need to practice right hand really strong and left hand really soft, like that. Exaggerate the right hand playing. You see how I'm exaggerating? I'm exaggerating the right hand, and then the left hand is very soft. It's this. Just practice a little tiny bit the left hand. So soft. You know, very soft. And then add the right hand. And pretty much that's what you need to do during the entire song. So, I go again. You see, the right hand needs to shine because it's the melody. Walking in the winter wonderland. And then again, you go the same thing. You see, pedal each left hand. Nothing here. And nothing here. Now we are on the section B, right? And then I'm going to play this one a little tiny bit louder because now we're having more fun here. Snowman. Then pretend that he's the parson clown. And more. So, first phrase you played like in a mezzo forte. And happy. And now even more. And now is the resolution. You can do the job when you're in town. So you can even slow down. If it's hard for you to play this part, you can slow it down here a little bit. You can do the job when you're in town. And now, let's have it fun. Again. Slow down, walking in the winter wonderland. Accent on one. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this fun song to do it, okay? Give me a like, you know, give me some comments, subscribe, press the bell. You know, I'm gonna come with all kind of fun stuff. And again, I'm looking forward for your comments, okay? Thank you, and see you in the next video.